Hey, third and fourth graders. I am going on an adventure into all four seasons of Wisconsin weather today, so I would like you to come with me and check it out. All right, first of all, here I am on a wonderful fall day. You can see around there's different colors in the leaves. Everything looks like it is changing and getting ready for the colder weather. Typically, we start school in the fall. The weather starts to cool down. Temperatures are starting to drop, and the sun is not staying out as long. Our days are getting shorter, and our leaves change. We get these wonderful autumn colors, and you get time then to go pick up pumpkin, apple harvesting, and so many fun fall activities. Think about what you remember and think that the fall weather is like in Wisconsin. Now I've headed off to winter. Winter in Wisconsin can sometimes bring many snowstorms. Some years we get feet worth of snow, and some years we get a very small amount. Usually it's pretty chilly, so I've got my nice warm sweater on to keep me warm. Sometimes we see temperatures dropping well below zero and get major freezes. There have been winters on record that have gone to negative 50 degrees. There have been winters on record where, like I said, we get feet's worth of snow that we have to shovel or snowplow. So I want you to think about what else you know about winter weather in Wisconsin. Right now, we're in spring, and spring is a wonderful time in Wisconsin. Spring is when our trees are beginning to bud. You can see green on them. Flowers are blooming everywhere, and you can start wearing short sleeves again because the weather is getting warmer. However, you do notice in Wisconsin in the spring that the weather can sometimes be a little up and down. There will be some days where it might still only be 30, 40 degrees, and then there are days where it will be 70 degrees. So Wisconsin spring kind of goes all over the place. And a couple years ago in April, we even got 2 feet of snow. So spring ideally means that the flowers are blooming, the trees are budding, the weather is getting warmer, but sometimes we'll get a little up and down as well. So think about what you know about spring weather in Wisconsin. Summer is the time when it gets hot. You go swimming a lot. You might go swimming in a lake. You might go swimming in the pools. Our humidity gets high. Sometimes we can get up to 100 degrees out. You really want to dress a little cooler in the summer. Shorts, tank tops, t-shirts, swimsuits, flip-flops. And our summer months are June, July, and August when it gets the warmest for us in Wisconsin, and typically many people are out enjoying it, boating and so forth. So what do you know about Wisconsin's summer months? Now that we've gotten a chance to see what each of the 4 seasons of Wisconsin are like, many people love to come to Wisconsin and live here because they get to experience so many different forms of weather. So I need you now to go to Google Classroom and write down some information that you know about each of the 4 seasons in Wisconsin.